Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif today welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial. Today I'll show you how to make a mockup. So the all customized mockup, that means if you edit this one it will open up in this window, and suppose you are giving the blue color like that and press the save option, and it will change up in this image actually. Okay, how to do that, let's see. That's the easy process to make it. Okay, go to the file at first and take a new canvas or just the artboard, whatever you can tell, and the size of the artboard will be 2560 and 1440, and hit the create button. Okay, after that just go to the rectangle tool and just take a background for the rectangle. Just draw this one like that, and you can change up the color like that. Suppose I'm using this color, or I'm using actually this color, and hit the OK button. After that just rename this one BG for background color. You can change the color, that's why I'm just indicating this one the color, and I'm giving another color, suppose like that blue one. Okay, and then go to the adjustment layer and go to the gradient options, and from here select this one and go to the linear to radial and make it 0 degree and make it reverse. Make this one 300% around and select Ether and hit the OK button. And after that go to the file and place embedded, and take a PNG. Suppose this one I just downloaded it from the PNG stick, and I'll give that download link in my video description, and just make it smaller and place this one like that and hit the tick button, and then just rename this one phone and give the color like orange. That's good. And then go to the rectangle again, rectangle tool, and I'll just draw a rectangle for this screen. Suppose this one. Okay, I'm just drawing this one like that. Okay, that's good. And then press Ctrl T for the transform, and you can edit the size like this one. Okay, be careful when you are just adjusting the screen size with the shape. Suppose, yeah, that's good. And in this, okay, that's good. Be careful when you are just adjusting this one. Okay, and hit the tick button. Okay, you are getting the screen of the phone, and right press and make it convert to smart object, and then make the layer red color and give the name edit. Okay, that means if you double press in the smart object, it will open up in this image, and then go to the file and place embedded option, and you can just give any kind of wallpaper or your UX or UI design in this screen, and just press the Ctrl S and it will save in this window. Okay, that's easy. Okay, then you can add logo or button or something else. Okay, I'm using or adding some button like that, like yes, this one, and I'm giving the color like blue or white or green, whatever you want. I should use this one, or I can pick up color from here or here, or I'm using this one. Okay, and I'm changing the background color like white or ash. Yeah, that's good. And then I'll go to the text tool and write down something. Suppose the free mockup, and I'm just writing this one like that, and small m, and I'm just making the mockup to bold to light font. Okay, hit the OK button, and then you can move it in this panel and select these two things, the rectangle one and the text one, and select these two layer and make it just center alignment and make it group. You can just button, give the name. Okay, that's good. And then you can add logo. Suppose I want to add the Google Pixel logo like that, and just make it smaller. Okay, and hit the OK button. You can place this one if you want. Suppose I want to place the logo, the name, and I want to just replace this one from here. And the button, I want to give this button here or here. Yeah, this one is the good place. And logo, I should make it more smaller, and I can just replace here and select these two things and make the alignment in the middle. Or if you want to adjust this one like that, if you want. Okay, our mockup is ready. If you want to add any kind of UI design in this result, in this screen, this one is the customized mockup for you. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video tutorial. If you have any kind of question, query or request, please do comment on my video comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend. Until the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out, and bye bye.